Hi, welcome back to Physics Teacher, the channel that prepares you for the high school math, chemistry, and physics contests from Waterloo University. This is a question from the Avogadro contest, which is the grade 11 chemistry contest. Give it a try, and I'll be right back with the solution. So in this question, we're starting with 10 milliliters of a 1 mole per liter solution of hydrochloric acid, and it's going to be diluted in water to a final volume of 1 liter. What happens to the pH of the solution? So we can start with this equation, which says the concentration is equal to the amount of solute in the solution divided by the volume. Now the amount of solute in the solution is going to remain constant. We're not adding more hydrochloric acid into it. We're just adding water. So this isn't going to change. So this is going to be constant. The volume, however, is going to increase because we're adding water. And therefore, since the volume is increasing and the amount of solute is staying the same, that means the concentration must decrease. So this can be rearranged into the dilution equation, where we can write it as a ratio of concentration volume. So we can have C1 V1 equals C2 V2, where C2 and V2 is after the solution has been diluted. So in this case, we have C1, which is 1 mole per liter, times by the initial volume, which is 10 milliliters, but we're going to have to change that into liters. So divide by 1,000 and we get 0.01 liters. That's going to equal our new concentration, C2, that we're looking for, divided by our new volume, which is 1 liter. So when we divide both sides by 1 liter to solve for the new concentration, we get that the new concentration is equal to 0.01 moles per liter. So it was originally 1 mole per liter, and now it is exactly 0.01 mole per liter. So it decreased by a factor of 100, which is a nice number. We're not going to need to use any logarithm equation because the pH scale works by factors of 10. So, for example, if you are at a pH of 3, and you go up to 4, your hydrogen ion concentration has decreased by a factor of 10. And if you go again, that means you decrease by a factor of 100, and again by a factor of 1,000. Now, since we're decreasing by a factor of 100, that means we're moving up on the pH scale by 2 units, or increasing by 2. Our answer is D.